Hello everyone, my name's Ryan and I'm an engineer here at TravelJoy. We recently released our Zapier integration, which allows you to connect TravelJoy to other tools you love and use, like Trello or Flowdesk, and send data back and forth between platforms. If you use multiple tools, this can be a great way for them to talk to each other, stay in sync, and automate portions of your workflow. We just recently pushed a brand new update for our Zapier integration, version 1.3, where you can now start a Zapier automation or Zap based on a new form filled out in TravelJoy. So for example, if someone fills out your new client inquiry form, you could send that form entry over to Google Sheets or Trello or any other tool that you use for that part of your workflow. I'm super excited about this recent update and look forward to hearing about all of the new Zaps you build to create custom automations to support your workflow.